Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about how to check the firmware version of your Fujifilm camera and then how to make sure that it's updated to the newest version. First, let's check to see what firmware version we have. Just hold down the display back button and then turn the camera on at the same time, and that will show you exactly which firmware version you have. Now, this is a XT1 that I just purchased and it has never been updated. So it's still at version 1. So all we need to do is go to the Fujifilm website, and I'll put a link down in the description so that you can go straight to it. But all you need to do here is just scroll down, and we can see that for the XT1, the current version is 5.51. Now you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of these pages. That's where you're going to find the download link. Now the next thing we need to do is just copy it to an SD card. Make sure that you format the card first and just copy the file directly to the root folder of the card. Don't put it inside any other folders. Now we want to do the exact same thing as before. Hold down the display back button while turning on the camera at the exact same time. That's going to bring up the same menu that we saw earlier. You'll just need to click the OK button. From here, it's just pretty much clicking through it. We're going to upgrade the body. We're going to go from version 1 to version 5.51. Now there's going to be some common sense instructions here. Don't turn the camera off while it's upgrading. Make sure the battery's charged. Give it some time. It might take a little bit longer to upgrade, depending on what camera you're upgrading and how many versions you're upgrading from and to. But once it's done, it'll let you know that the current version is now 5.51. Now you just need to format your card before you use it again, and now you're all done. All right, that's it. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out a lot more videos about Fujifilm cameras and photography and video shooting in general. So make sure you subscribe and like this video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.